Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix the C1620 fault code in KIA Mohave air suspension. In case that height sensor calibration is not carried out or not completed, this fault code will be set, so you must perform the calibration. Please stay with us until the end of the video and subscribe the channel for more videos.
In order to compensate the dispersion error resulted from the sensor itself or sensor mounting, the height sensor calibration is required. Following is the procedure to calibrate the height sensor. Start the engine and set the vehicle level to normal mode. Connect the scanner after ignition off and turn on the ignition. Fill the air to the reservoir tank using the corresponding menu in the scanner. Click the menu of Height Scanner Calibration in the scanner and read the current value of vehicle height. Using a measuring tape, measure the actual height of vehicle and input the value in the scanner. After completing the sensor calibration, check the height deviation is lower than plus or minus 10 millimeters. If the vehicle height is out of design height, repeat the calibration again. However, the mechanical damage may be suspected, so that the system has to be inspected if the height value is still out of specification after recalibration.